Let's connect Snapchat ads to wecantrack, so your affiliate conversions come through as purchases in Snapchat. One thing first, Snapchat only works when your traffic runs through your own site, not direct linking. Start in Snapchat Ads Manager and open Events Manager. Your web pixel lives here under Event Sources. Open it to copy your pixel ID. No pixel yet? Click New Event Source to create one. Now, back in wecantrack, open your website and go to the Integrations tab. Find Snapchat and paste your pixel ID into the field. Click Connect Snapchat, log in, and continue. This authorizes the Conversions API. Open Advanced and switch on Store Full IP for better matching. Last step, open Features and switch on Snapchat Ads integration. Quick recap of where your pixel ID lives. Events Manager, then Event Sources, then your web pixel. Paste it into wecantrack, and Snapchat is connected. wecantrack now sends your affiliate conversions to Snapchat through the Conversions API. They can take up to a day and a half to appear. Want to connect more platforms? Check out our other integration guides.